Are you confused between React and Angular? Both are incredibly popular tools for building modern web applications. But which one is the right fit for your project? Stick around as we break it down step by step. You can visit angular.dev and react.dev for detailed documentation and everything you need to know about these two powerful technologies. Now let's dive into the framework versus library debate. Angular is a full-fledged framework while React is a library. Angular was developed by Google in 2010, making it one of the most established frameworks in the industry. React, on the other hand, was created by Facebook in 2013 and has since become the go-to choice for many developers. So, what does this mean for you? Angular is perfect for building large, scalable apps with complex business logic, while React excels in creating highly interactive and dynamic user interfaces. Angular is a full-fledged framework packed with features like TypeScript, dependency injection, RxJS for managing data streams, and building tools for forms, routing, and testing. Its learning curve is considered steep. Why? Because from day one, you need to grasp multiple concepts. For example, understanding and setting up modules and components, learning RxJS observables for handling asynchronous data, writing TypeScript, which adds a layer of complexity compared to plain JavaScript, exploring directives, pipes, and dependency injection. While this structured approach gives you everything you need in one place, it requires dedication to master all the moving parts. For beginners, this might feel overwhelming, but once you learn Angular, you're ready to handle complex, enterprise-grade applications. Now let's talk about React. React is a JavaScript library. Its learning curve is often described as shallow initially, but grows as you scale your application. Here's why. Getting started is easy. You can create your first React app with just a basic understanding of JavaScript. React's component-based approach and JSX syntax are intuitive, especially for developers familiar with JavaScript. However, as your app grows, you will need to learn additional tools to fill in the gaps, such as React Router for navigation, state management tools like Redux or Context API, testing frameworks since React doesn't include one by default, and integrating third-party libraries for features like form validation or API calls. This modular approach allows you to learn and use what you need, making React a flexible option for small to large projects. Angular uses RealDOM, updating the entire tree for changes, but optimizes this with chain detection and ahead-of-time compilation. React uses Virtual DOM, updating only specific parts, making it faster for frequent updates. Angular combines an MVC pattern with a component-based approach, providing structure. React focuses solely on the view layer with a component-based approach, offering flexibility to choose additional tools. Angular's two-way data binding simplifies synchronization but can be resource-intensive, while React's one-way binding provides better control over data flow. Angular requires TypeScript for strict type checking, whereas React allows both JavaScript and TypeScript, offering more scripting flexibility. Here are some popular apps built using Angular and React. If you were starting a new project today, which would you choose and why? Which one do you think has a brighter future? Drop your thoughts in the comments.